Hey, so this is a CTF from the first CTF we did from the bootcamp, Jedha Bootcamp, and I did it. The first time I did it was last Saturday. So in 20 minutes, the next session will come, and my plan is to record myself doing it again. The first time I did it was last Saturday, 1 week ago, and I did it again yesterday. First time it took me, I think, an hour. And actually there is something I didn't catch correctly. I was a bit too much overwhelmed by the stress. I think the stress caused me to not be able to think clearly enough, which caused me to make one mistake. And yesterday I did it again in 14 minutes, and today let's see how long I can do that. So it's going to be obviously much easier. So the first time, the first thing what we're looking for is to find information, and we see here that we have these folders 1, 2, 3 up to 8, and we have a text file. So I'm just gonna do it and not explain so much what I'm doing. Poof. So I found my first flag, so now I'm gonna head to the second folder and check again what's inside, and I want to check again the hidden files. Second flag. So now I will use this command to go back up to my main folder and then go immediately into the second folder. So this one I remember, I just need to go into the folders that appear. So I don't type the command A because I know I don't need it here. The flag, and I think then there is a flag text, that's it, and I do the same. Path, third one. So now I went through 4 folders, so the easiest way for me, instead of typing this and this and this and this, probably, yeah, it's to type cities, and I go to the main file, home file, and then, oh, not 04 actually, 03, right? Yeah. This one I don't remember. Yeah. So there is a lack of permission on this file, so I will add execution permission for me. Actually, let's see if that's enough, because I don't want to execute it, I want to read it. Yes, that's it. Search mode, user, me, I add the reading permission. So I never add it like this, but yes, it should be the good one. Now to read it, that's it. So now I go back to the main folder and then the fourth folder. Check what's inside, run me. So now I run the script, permission denied, same. So if you want to add all the permission for all users to a file, a folder, you use 777. 7 correspond to reading, writing, and executing. And the first 7 is for the current user, the second one for the group, and the third one for all users. So now you can see that I added reading, writing, executing. I mean, you don't see that where I added it exactly, but you can see it's everywhere. So now I can run it again. Congrats. So I go back to the main folder and then go to the fifth one. And again. So create a directory named gimme flag. Create a file in this directory named Kenny has. So yesterday when I did it, there was a problem. So I'm gonna use a different technique today. I'm just gonna go inside the folder and create it from Kenny has from here. So check the file is here, it's here. Run, add the following string inside the file. I'm gonna use this. Normally I put the double one, but yesterday when I put the double one, oh, I know why. Kelly, I'm not so sure. Okay. I don't know how to type the backward slash. Can has. I'm gonna use a text editor, Vim. Wait, yeah. Please. Then I exit the editor mode. W is to save, and WQ with this is to exit without saving. But I already saved it. And now I see that please is inside, right? So now I'm gonna go back up where I have give me flag and Kenny has inside, right? And I'm gonna run the script again, and they say that when you run the script again, the flag will be displayed. Good. So now let's go to the 6th one. param.sh. Okay, next time I will type immediately SA to see the execution right, and writes immediately on the file. That's what I'm gonna do now. I didn't think about that before. So params.sh. For this challenge you need to supply two parameters to the script. The first one should be first, the second one should be second. So how do you supply parameters? I remember the first time I was confused because it's been a long time I didn't add any parameters to a script. So I'm gonna use it like this. I can't remember exactly how I did it yesterday, but this is how you add parameters. But they asked me to add parameters with this. So let's see if it works. Yeah, I need to do bash. Yesterday I needed to do bash at least. Okay, good, works. I just want to read the scripts actually, because that's also why I'm doing right now the capture the flag, because I want to see how the scripts are built, because I have in mind now a project to create some CTFs actually. Okay, just taking a screenshot. Okay. Oh shit, let's talk like this. Need to put this fast, so let's execute fast. This challenge will be a little tougher. This script call with a general parameter will generate. Oh yeah, yesterday I cheated on this. When you call this script with the read parameter, it will generate another hash. Oh, I think you get it. So if you want to, okay, I'm gonna try something, but I can't remember how to type the pipe symbol. Symbol on Linux. I can't remember which one I used to. Actually, I just want to copy paste. Yeah, I reduced my resolution yesterday. Okay, I'm just gonna type the pipe here. Oh, crazy, can't remember how to do the pipe. Pipe symbol, okay, I'm just gonna type pipe symbol. paste. So is it here? Yes, it's here. So what I want to do is to first generate it, and then I don't know how to catch the hash actually. So I'm just gonna do this and see what happens. Okay, so now I don't have so much time left, so I'm just gonna... So what we want is to use this condition. Okay, that's what they tell you here. If they are different, the hash, you fail. So we want the current hash. Maybe I could use it actually. But yeah, I'm just gonna go over it and show you another. Use another technique. So we want that this output, right? So I'm just gonna copy the output, paste it, and then I'm gonna have the flag. Boom. See it here. So the mistake I made was to actually last time take this. But when you compare the flags together, you see that they have similarity in the way they are created. I mean, their identification is different than this one. Here you have mostly letters, and here you have a lot of lower cases. You have no uppercase actually, I'm not realizing, yeah, and numbers. So that's how I realized first that I was wrong, and then I saw that there was this value here, and then there was the pipe in base 64. So it means that this is encoded in a different readable format, and then you pipe this to this command that probably decode in base 64. I don't know, I never used something like this, but this is a guess. So I have my flag, right? This is of course what truly matters at the end is to develop as much skills as you can, but also to find the flag, right? So my goal now is to understand this, but now I'm just gonna go over it, over the next flag, capture the flag, sorry. Oh yeah, so this one produces lines of hell, a lot of lines. So first I will show you how it works. Yeah, I need to I don't know if I can add the parameter like this. Oh yes, that's why I needed to put bash earlier, because I didn't call the script like this. Okay, I get it. I mean, I think it should work like this. Yes. So one of the most important things is to, when you know that you're missing an understanding on something, and if you judge that important, to go for it. So now it's generating 15,000 of lines, and there is a specificity in the lines that come out. And that's why I like capture the flag, because it helps me develop my critical thinking. So you see that there's a lot of lines, and all the lines start with garbage, right? So the thing that took me, I don't know how long, 1 minute, 2 minutes to realize, is that maybe the line where there is my flag doesn't start with garbage. Maybe it's called garbage for a reason, to make you realize that yeah, you should look for something else. So you should maybe try something else. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna generate the lines again, but then I'm gonna pipe this generation into the grab command. So the grab command will look for some text. And I learned during the CTF about the grep v command. The grep v command I will write garbage, and it will sort me the lines that don't contain garbage or that don't start with garbage. I'm not so sure exactly what v is about. And you will see, and it's 54. My bootcamp starts in 5 minutes, and I'm pretty happy to have done this CTF. And yeah, hopefully I can upload the video. I will ask the bootcamp if I can upload it, and if they allow me, then you will have access to it. And I'm planning on doing much more in the future, because this, I really like the way my mind behaves on this. I really like this. And you see we have our flag, path. So that's it. So yeah, I really like this kind of thing, the CTF thing is something I was so bad at a few years ago. And this helps me developing my critical thinking, and I just enjoyed it like crazy when I do that. So yeah, have a good one.